In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your selection tool. So what I have here is a drawing made up of a range of layers and objects, and I've grouped them all into one layer. So it's very hard for me now to change or to move any objects within the drawing by using one of the masks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the selection tool, which is the icon up here at the top left. And it defaults to the freehand view. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace around this leaf like that and join it up again at the top. And then I'm going to tap my brush. So what happens now is everything other than the leaf has got lines going over it, which means I can't affect any change to those, but I can make changes to the leaf. So I've selected a brush already, I've selected a color already. So I'm just going to paint over that leaf, and I've chosen these textures. I unselect my selection tool, and there we go. My leaf has been done. So that's a very basic use of your selection tool, and it enables you to isolate one object on a page.